Hello everyone. I just wanted to stop real quick and thank everyone for coming by and watching my videos and mainly just supporting me. It really means a lot. If you've been paying any attention, I got a new intro and logo, which is super awesome. I hope you guys like it. My friend Indy made it up for me, and yeah, it's going to be the new look. So I really hope you guys like it, and please leave me some comments. Tell me what you think of it and what you think of the videos in general. I'm always up for some criticism. So, yeah, that's about it. I'm going to get back to work. I'm working on the screen door for the bunkhouse. We're going to paint that up and install that real soon here. So, that's about it. And as always, stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. All right, everyone. Welcome to the bunkhouse again. Screen door install day. I have my lovely assistant holding, and I'm just going to run some screws. So stay tuned. Oh, I am so good. Look, I'm patting myself on the back on that one.